Ah, yes. The fridge. What the fuck? Alright, magical fridge. Give me something tasty. Eggs and chocolate syrup. Alright, let's try that again. Something good. Delicious. The fuck is that shit? Ketchup? The hell is it? Hypnotic? I don't want no alcohol with my goddamn ketchup. What is going on? How the hell? Damn! Fuck! Shit! How the hell did I end up there? Man, fuck this fridge. I'm gonna go get some McDonald's.